The views and opinions expressed in this program are those of the individuals involved and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of Radyo Agri.
Ayan, magandang tanghali po mga karadyo Agri. We're back with the season 2 of Host Jam, where live radio meets live music. So, ako po si Faydan at makakasama niyo po ako sa programang ito kung saan makikinig tayo ng live music jam. At para naman po sa mga hindi pa familiar sa programang ito, kasama po natin dito si Sir Monch ng AMD every other Thursday para haranahin kayo ng live music tuwing 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Yan. So, on Thursdays naman po, na hindi natin makasama si Sir Monch, we have talented singers from our agency Filmec, and we are now exploring as well to ask and find talented singers outside our agency to hear them live on air and online. Dito lamang yan sa ating Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. And syempre, before we start our program, we would like to greet our Director 4, Dr. Dionisio G. Alvinia, our Director 3, Sir Joel V. Dator, our Chief in Applied Communication Division, Sir Elijah Z. Davalos, Section Head of STIPS, Sir Jet Molek G. Subaba, Section Head of STEEDS, Ma'am Bess G. S. Magararu, to the rest of our division chiefs, our hardworking staff, our drivers, guards on duty, and utility workers, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. And of course, magandang tanghali rin po to Ma'am Isis, Sir Ambo, and Dr. Love na always naka-tune in as well to us, to our listeners on air and online. And syempre, without further ado, let us welcome our singer for today's jam. So to our guest today, she is a single mom, a pet lover, ayan, a campaign jingle maker and singer, and the president of the Nueva Ecija Performers Club. All the way from San Jose City, let's welcome Ma'am Maricel Perez. Ayan, good afternoon, Ma'am Cel.
Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po sa lahat.
Shout out po muna kayo sa ating mga listeners on air and online.
Ayan, good afternoon po. Magandang tanghalian po sa lahat po ng listeners po ng Agri Radio.
Radyo Agri, ayan.
Radyo Agri.
Yes.
Baligtad pala.
Ayan, shout out muna kayo, Ma'am, ng
ayan,
listeners, to mga friends, family.
Ayan, binabati ko po lahat ng, syempre unang-una sa family ko, sa mga anak ko, kay Chili, kay Ken, kay Boo, at kay Ishen, kay Madam Loy, kay Junix, at sa pinakamakulit kong pamangkin na si Migs, kay Be, kay Botay, kay Jersey, kay Pau, si Mori, at yung apo namin na si Swan. Sa yami ko, Eric, at kay Kuya Romy, Ate Luz, Tom, Icar, at syempre pa sa officers and members ng Nueva Ecija Performers Club or NEFRC. Founder Nina, Secretary Diwata, Joe Wards, BPEJ, Chester Tonyo, Mac RJ. Yes. Girlfriends Dancers, at Sakaya Banan Kayog Band, Brother JR, Romel, Ningning, at syempre pa sa madam namin kay Madam Susan. At nagpapabati na rin po sa PhilRise po, yung isa po sa admins ng 18 Nueva Ecija chapter. Ayan, hello po sa mga taga PhilRise. At syempre sa lahat po ng 18 members ng...
Yeah, ito po yung mga fan ng SB19,
yes,
ng mga 18.
Yan. Member po kasi ako ng 18 na Nueva Ecija chapter. So, shout out po sa inyong lahat, especially sa mga admins po. Thank you for letting me share yung link po kahapon.
Yes.
And syempre kay Jen ng Palayan City. Hello, Be. At ano pa ba? And hi also, bago ko makalimutan,
sige po.
kay mama mo, kay Miss Cherry Dan Morales.
Hi, Ma. She's watching right now.
Siya po yung nag-refer sa akin para magkapag-guest dito. Thank you so much for the opportunity po. And then, thank you rin kay host Paydan at sa Radyo Agri 90.1 for this opportunity and pagkakataon po na makapag-guest kay Ma'am Bernadette and to everyone. Thank you po.
So, Ready na ba si Ma'am Sel para i-share sa amin ang inyong setlist for today?
Yes po.
Sige, go ma'am.
So, yung first song ko po, napili ko lang naman siya kasi nagustuhan ko talaga siya nung una ko siyang marinig. Actually, yung setlist ko ngayon, all of them, hindi siya yung original version. Lahat sila ay bagong arrangement na o bagong areglo. So, yung Harana, from Parokya ni Edgar, kung i-compare mo siya dun sa original, tong version na kakantay ko, ibang-iba. So, parang kahawig niya nga actually yung kanta ni Moire. Yung pa-pa-da-pa. Hindi ko alam yung title, nakalimutan ko. Pero yes, this is my first song para sa inyong lahat. Uso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba tong mukhang lokong nagkandara pa sa pagkanta at nasisintonato sa kaba? Mayroon bang dalang mga rosas, suot na may maong nabutas, at nariyan pa ang barkadang nakaporma't nakabarong sa awiting daig pa ang -1 at sing-along. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw, at sa awitin kong ito sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Di ba't parang isang sine, isang pelikulang romantiko? Di ba't ako ang bidang artista at ikaw ang leading man sa istoryang nagwawakas sa pag-ibig na wagas? Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw, at sa awitin kong ito sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw, at sa awitin kong ito sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Para sa'yo. Ay, hindi nakasama yun. Ad-lib lang yun. Alright. Yan, my next song naman, I chose this kasi I think it is one of the most beautiful OPM songs ever written. At kaya lang medyo nalilito lang talaga kung sino talaga yung original singer niya, kung si Rick Segretobo or si Basil Valdez. Pero anyways, napakaganda po ng kanta na to. Yan. Para po sa inyong lahat. you give me hope, the strength of will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You pushed me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart. Suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stares at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. You pushed me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart. Suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little lights that stares at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stares at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. Alright, thank you po.
Ayan, thank you po for that introduction songs, Ma'am Sel. Grabe naman ang boses ni Mama, no? So anyways, thank you po ulit. Ayan, syempre, while Ma'am Sel is having a quick water break, magbabasa muna po tayo ng ating comments sa ating live sa Facebook natin. Ayan, so sila Mama. Ayan, sila Mama, sila Madam Loy, and si Tita Loy. Go, go, sista, sabi ni Tita Loy, ano. Also, si Ma'am Diwata. Nueva Ecija Performers Club, President naman namin yarn, sabi niya, di ba? Also, ayan, sila Sir Jerome Bulan Dulatre. Ayan, magandang tanghali po sa ating mga viewers. Ayan, Ang galing niyo daw po, sabi ni Madam Loy. Ayan, si Tita Loy. Also, sa ating mga viewers online and our listeners on air, good afternoon po, and I hope you're listening para medyo chill lang ang ating lunch break. So, Ma'am Sel, ready na po ba kayo for our third song?
Yes po. So, I chose this song. Wala, challenge lang to sa akin. Kasi syempre, makabago. Ano man tawag sa mga bago? Millennial or Gen Z. At ano lang, para chill lang tayo. And I chose yung acoustic version niya para hindi masyadong palasak. Okay, so here's a song from Bini. Oh, hello there, misteryoso. Hindi pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita. Pero ayokong magduda, baka lang sa simula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ng aking pangulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayokong umasa sa paniniwalang may pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapagbigyan. Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin kanyang tunay na pagtingin? Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin, kailan niya ba ko papansinin? Ayokong maniwala, na baka mabaliwala. Oh no, pero sa iyong sulyap, mga matay nangungusap, di ko kayang magpanggap. Ano ba talaga ito? Oh, maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ng aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayokong umasa sa paniniwalang may pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapagbigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin kanyang tunay na pagtingin? Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, paano mo bang sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin, kailan niya ba ko papansinin? Mirror, mirror on the wall, please tell my Prince Charming, I'm waiting for his call. Bakit papasikot-sikot, para bang pinapaikot-ikot talaga? Magets, ano ba talaga ang next move mo? Gusto ko lang namang malaman, ano ba ang katotohanan? Better say it's now, it's not too late. I'm ready to be called your princess. Hey, ayokong umasa sa paniniwalang may pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapagbigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin kanyang tunay na pagtingin? Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin. Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Salamin, salamin, kailan niya ba ako papansinin? Woo! Alright, ayan. Medyo nakakahingal kasi siya. Alright, may actually pressure yon kasi favorite niya, Bloom pala siya eh. And my fourth song is actually ito yung winning piece po ni Miss Regine Velasquez nung nanalo po siyang grand champion sa tunghalan ng kampiyon by not mistaken, or bagong kampiyon, mga singing contest sa TV po long time ago. So Miss Regine is like my idol, super idol. So, ito yun, napili ko. I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like the thread that keeps unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. I found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive in your eyes. We're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. You warn me that life changes and that no one really knows whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow. Even though the winds of time will change in a world where nothing stays the same, but through it all, our love will still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. I found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's alive in your eyes. We're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive in your eyes. We're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. Alright, thank you so much.
Ayan, grabe naman ang boses ni Ma'am Sel. And thank you ma'am sa pagkanta ng version nyo ng Salamin-Salamin ng Mahal Kong Bini. Ayan, as a bloom, my bloom heart is happy. Ayan, grabe ang singer natin for today mga ka-Radyo Agri. So while Mom Cell is having a quick water break, kayo pa rin po ay nakikinig at nakasubaybay sa ating programang Host Jam, where live radio meets live music. Dito lamang yan sa Radyo Agri 90.1 FM, kasaganaan para sa bayan. Also, please don't forget po to follow our social media accounts. We have Facebook, X, Instagram, and YouTube at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. And to our listeners on air, we do have our text hotlines, your 962-119-7445. Again, ulitin ko po, your 962-119-7445. And para naman po sa mga may kakilala pang talented singers inside or outside our agency, you are very welcome po to suggest para ma-guest natin dito ng live sa ating programang Host Jam. So, Ma'am Cel, ready na po ba kayo ulit to our fifth song and last song?
Yes po, ayan. So, I chose this song. Maganda. Kasi maganda siya. And siguro, isa yung Apo Hiking Society sa mga pillar ng OPM, Original Filipino Music. So, this is in female key na po.
There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world, without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hair, and when I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I'm on to something good, and I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away, but they can't bother me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. You taught me how to love. You showed me how tomorrow and today my life is different from the yesterday. And you taught me to love. And darling, I will always cherish you. Today, tomorrow, and forever. And I'm sure when evening comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before. My love, who could ask for more? You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. my love, what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. When I met you. And gusto kong mag-thank you dun sa mga yung mga pages ba ang tawag doon sa YouTube na gumagawa ng mga female key. So at least hindi na ako nahihirapang mag-adjust. May application ako na kapag male key, na-adjust ko lang ng 4 na key higher para masud sa boses ko. So thank you so much. KB Arrangement, L'Oreal Music, thank you so much. Alright, here's my final song, and I chose this kasi this is one of my favorite song. Actually, ni-request siya sa akin noong nagigig pa ako sa mga kasal. Sabi niya, kantahin ko yung Come What May. So, nahirapan ako kasi wala pa akong application na i-adjust yung key. Buti na lang nakita ko tong version ni Miss Faith Cuneta. So, ito yung favorite song ko. Para po sa inyong lahat. When he looks at me, I know the boy sees things nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside and all the craziness I hide. He looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And he doesn't judge the girl, he just takes me as I am. Come what may, he believes, and that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, he loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, he knows those are the times. There's nothing he can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so he lets me live it through. And when I'm in my darkest hour of uncertainty, he just simply lets me be and goes right on loving me. Come what may, he believes, and that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, he loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making me love myself a little more. And when it seems my dreams have all slipped through my fingers, when they just can't be found, I turn around and there they are, shining in his eyes. that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, He loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making me love myself. Come what may, He believes, and that fate is something I've never known before. Come what may, He loves me, and that love has helped me open a door, making me love myself a little more. Thank you so much. May palakpakan ako kayo.
Ayan, grabe naman ang boses. Baka ma-pressure ma'am yung mga next naming guest. Parang ma-pressure sila, hindi na magkaroon ng next guest sa atin.
Hindi naman gamit. Enjoy ko lang at saka yun nga.
Yes.
Anong tawag dito? Sabi niyo nga kanina, first time ko to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Diba?
so sabi ko nga,
First time pa yun.
nagkarabo na to.
Parang hindi halatang first time ni Ma'am Sel, di ba? So, syempre, and that concludes our 6 lovely songs for today performed by Ma'am Sel. Sobrang talented talaga ng mga nagiging guest natin dito sa Host Jam, no? So, wag ma-pressure yung next natin magiging guest next week, no? Again, thank you, Ma'am Sel,
Thank you rin
for that
po.
wonderful songs. We appreciate your time po and effort dahil galing pa po kayo sa San Jose. Ayan. So, before we end, Ma'am, may mga isi-shoutout pa po ba kayo? May mga gigs, performances na maaaring abangan na ating mga Karadyo Agri.
Yes, actually, as the president of Nueva Ecija Performers Club, share ko lang ng konti yung tungkol sa group namin. Kami po ay samahan po ng mga entertainers and sa mga nagsishow po like singers, dancers, mga puppeteer, mga clowns, magicians, and marami pang iba. Basta mga nagpe-perform. So, kami po ay samahan. Kami naman po kasi ay mga walang benepisyo karamihan sa amin. So, naisipan namin na itatag itong ano. So, ang founder po namin ay si Miss Nina Kayaban. So, hanggang ngayon, awa ng Diyos, matatag pa naman yung samahan namin. So, nagkakanta kami ng mga charity events. Like, last March 2025, nagkaroon kami ng concert yan sa May Pag-asa. Hindi man kami masyadong tinao sa Pag-asa, but we have sold many tickets. Then, nakapagbigay naman po kami sa mga members po namin na beneficiary. And then, may mga naging charity events din po kami like itong pinaka-recent po sa may Pacoma, Aberfirst. Nakapag-show po yung mga magicians namin, dancers and singers, and nakapagpakain din po kami ng sopas and konting bigas po para po sa mga tao ng Pacoma. And i-invite ko na rin po kayo, although hindi pa yata kami nakapag-bus. Sa Walter Mart po, meron po kaming busking. Siyempre, isa pa rin po yan sa way din po namin para magkaroon din po kami ng, alam nyo na, ng aming funds for our group. And para pag po may mga ka-member po kami na nagkasakit or na ospital, nabibigyan po namin ng konting tulong pinansyal. And sa August 3 po yon and August 30, I believe. Pero Ma'am Arian, hindi pa po yata namin napapas. At saka kay Sir Chris, pero sinabi na po yun ni Sir Chris and Sir Arian na yun po yung slot namin. Sana po, ayan, na-pressure ka na ngayon. Thank you so much po. August 3 and August 30 po yun sa Walter Mart, San Jose. So, mapapanood nyo po yung aming mga magician, dancers, singers, and mga puppeteer po. Then, yung mga nakaka-LL po dyan or nakakaluwag-luwag sa buhay, you can go there, watch us, and mag-donate na po kayo. Thank you so much po.
Thank you po sa inyong mga help sa ating mga mga kasama niyo po, mga kasamahan niyo po. Ayan. And syempre po, before we end, ayan, don't forget to follow our social media accounts. We have Facebook, X, Instagram, and YouTube at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. And to our listeners again on air, we have our text hotline 0962-119-7445. Again, 0962-119-7445. And also, you can watch our YouTube replays kung saan maaari nyo na pong mabalikan ang ating mga previous episodes sa lahat ng ating programa. Just visit our YouTube channel at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM and hit like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So, thank you po again, Ma'am Cel.
Okay lang yun pa pala.
Sige, ma'am.
Papalo ako.
Sige, ma'am.
Pakipalo na rin po yung page po ng Nueva Ecija Performers Club. District 2 pa po yung nakalagay doon kasi puro District 2 pa po dati yung mga members namin. So, Nueva Ecija Performers Club, District 2, pakipalo na rin po. And pwede po rin kayong mag-inquire doon kung kailangan nyo po ng mga performers po sa mga events nyo. And also, Kaya Band, Sequencerista, or Kaya Band and dancers po. Pakipalaw nyo po. Pwede po kayong mag-inquire doon. Thank you so much po.
Yan. So, may mga performers.
Yes
yan,
po.
mga magicians, tama po ba?
Yes, kumpleto
Ayan,
po.
Kompleto po. So, kapag nandito po
Yes.
si Ma'am Maricel, pwede niyo po rin siya i-contact.
Yes.
Yan, para magkaroon po ng mga kanyang events. Also, magbasa lang din po tayo ng comments saglit bago tayo mag-end. So, galing po kay Ma'am Irene, galing talaga ng president namin, sabi, no? So, also po pala, kanina, anday po kasing comments na mahina daw po yung background music. So, thank you po kay Mama, na sinabing malakas po ang audio. Actually, malakas po talaga ang audio dito sa loob po ng booth ng radyo. So, para sa inyo po siguro sa ating live stream is mahina siya, pero sa ating pong radio na Radyo Agri 90.1 sa station is okay po and goods po yung naririnig, ano. So, yun po. Thank you po ulit kay Mama na kay Dan Cherry na nagsabi ng okay po ang volume pagdating sa radyo. Ayan. So, also, sabi din po niya, mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi nagbabago ang pandinig ko. Tumatayo pa din ang balahibo ko sa voice ni Ate Maricel.
Marumuto yan.
Ayan. So, sana sabihin nyo din if need nyo ng host na maganda at magaling. Ayan, si Tita Loy.
Yes, oo nga po. May mga host din po kami. Basta kung ano po yung need nyo po sa party nyo. Kompleto po kami. From birthdays, kasalan, barangay night, binyag, pati po last night.
Ayan, diba? Complete talaga.
Yes po, lahat
also,
po.
shoutout po kay Sir Benedict. Ayan. So, again, Ma'am Cel, thank you
Yes,
po
thank
sa
you rin
inyong
po.
time. And thank you mga Radyo Agri. Jam with us again next week here on Host Jam, where live radio meets live music. Every Thursdays, 12 to 1 p.m. Only here at Radyo Agri 90.1 FM. Kasaganaan para sa bayan.